Whoa. Wow. That's a lot of checker. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy crap. Wow. Most of them through that way. We're gonna take that ridge, try to get on them again. Gosh, it's so steep and loose. Oh my gosh. Good girl. Good. Hey guys, so we took a quick little break. I needed to catch my breath, and I wanted to get, Ember was going a little crazy, so I wanted her to calm down. And I also wanted all those birds to kind of just relax, feel like they're not being hunted for a second, and kind of just settle in again. We do have a nice breeze coming this way. Grabbed a quick little snack, and we're gonna keep going. But we're just gonna basically take this ridge up and over, and we'll see how far we go. I'm starting to run low on water, but hopefully we'll see the wind's coming this way, so hopefully we'll catch wind of those birds and try to get on them again. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some more chuckers, add them to the bag. All right, see you shortly. She's down there, but we already spooked some birds right there. Just keep going that way. I don't think they're gonna let us get close. And there she goes. And we just keep bumping birds. I can't get close enough. Ember's over there somewhere. But man, a bunch landed right there, and then they've already been taken off. We just keep bumping them that way. Frustrating. Yep, there were some birds there. Yeah, they're not there anymore. She was on point here, but I don't think they're here anymore. Yeah, they literally landed there and ran up this way. There's a reason why they call them little red-legged devils. They're just running all over. Good gracious. Well, I'm impressed though. Ember, there's barely a breeze and Ember had them far off. That's impressive. Good girl! I winged that one. Hopefully it falls and she can get it. Fetch! Ah, good. Fetch! Good girl! Yes! We got one. Pretty sure it's Chukar. You can kind of tell the way they sound in the air. It's funny, quail just sound like little whirly birds. Then huns sound a little bigger. Chukar sound like a, I don't know, blackhawk. Pheasants and grouse, they sound like a freaking Chinook. It's pretty spectacular and startling at the same time. Here! Come on, girl! Good girl! Come here! Good girl! I am stoked. We've been climbing. Good girl! Come here! Good girl! Thank you! Good girl, Ember! Good girl! We're hitting quite a few birds. My bag's getting heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Gosh. Good girl. Well, I was literally walking and then I got the buzz alert that she was on point. I look up and she's looking right at me. Good girl. It's kind of nice having the covey dispersed because they kind of settle in to hide and it allows her to kind of pick up the scent easier instead of having crazy scent everywhere. At least that's what she's better at, so. Good girl, Ember! Oh man, she's all the way down there. She was working her way down, went down there, was on point. And then the bird bumped. All that for one bird. Good girl. Some point again? Oh, there might be some others. It's about 90 yards out. Wow. That was some chukar. Good girl! And they flew on the other side. Good girl! Wonder where all these birds back there went. Oh man. So hard to get a bead on one. You pick one and then you stick with it, but then you wonder if there was a better one to stick with. Oh well. Good girl! I don't think I hit one. She's going down. She's coming back up. She kind of got wind of something. Yeah, we're heading back. We're getting low on water, and I'm getting low on some shells. So we still got a ways to head back. Hoping we'll find some birds. Good Lord. Good girl, Ember. Good girl. Oh, I'm down to my last 5. Good girl. She's on point way down there. Kind of don't want to go there. Oh man. I might just watch to see what she does. Yeah, she's moving. I did hear a couple birds fly. Not sure where she was, but they're all down there, of course. Unfortunately, we're headed this way, so I'm gonna have to recall her. Yeah. Ooh, that one's falling way far. Ember, fetch, find! Ooh, that's way down there. Well, those were my last 3 shots. It's hard to get good footing here. Good girl, Ember. Good girl. Whew. So we already have another point, but I'm completely out of shells. So we'll just honor Ember and see how this goes. Actually, she might have moved. It's about 50 yards that way. Up, she's on point again. Let's see. Good girl. Got some huns. Good girl, Ember. I almost brought 2 boxes of shells with me. Man, there are a lot of birds here. I think we're coming back here tomorrow. Assuming my legs can handle it. The problem when you can only hunt on weekends. But man, good country. And I mean, I'm making tons of noise as I'm approaching these birds, and they're holding tight. So, it tells me they haven't been pressured. So, anywho, I am thirsty. We're out of water. Let's head back, girl. Let's see if we find any more. And she's on point again. Good girl! Oh man, my legs are dead. Whew. Good girl, Ember. Hey guys. So we ended up coming down. We're on the trail now. We're about, I don't know, half a mile from the truck, and we saw that last one, that the covey that Ember found. And then we did find 2 more coming down the ridge. But that's a wrap for today. We're gonna head back, get some water and food. I am so thirsty right now. If we come back here tomorrow, I'm gonna have to bring more water and shotgun shells. I had almost 2 boxes. Definitely ran out, so I'll have to bring some more. But Emma did fantastic. I'm very proud of her. Towards the end there, I just couldn't hit anything because I was just getting real tired. It was just so steep, and I couldn't swing my shotgun as quickly as I'd like. But we've done about 7.5 miles now, almost 3,300 feet of climbing. It's been about 5.5 hours, so definitely been a long, arduous but fun hunt today. So that's that peak we came up, and then that far ridge is where we ended up coming down. So we ended up down on the trail way over there. So, but yeah, it's been a good day. looking forward, we ended up getting, well, I hit 6 birds. We couldn't retrieve that last hunt, so we've got 5 in the bag, 2 chukar, 3 huns. I'm stoked about that. And honestly, the number of coveys we found, I couldn't keep track. And then there were also some big ones. So very pleased with the spot. I'm gonna have to try to keep it a secret, although it's definitely not for the faint of heart. You gotta put some legwork in. So yeah, well anyways, with that, we'll see you tomorrow.